Namaste to all of you. Differential equation. This is the 7th class, lecture B. Lecture already given regarding the non-homogeneous differential equations. First of all, what is the general form of the non-homogeneous differential equation? dy by dx equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is the non-homogeneous differential equation. Even to solve a non-homogeneous differential equation, there are different methods are there. What is the first method? If b1 is equals to minus a2, then cross multiply, simplify, you will get the answer. Second model, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, within this case, already we given one example also. In numerator, denominator, one common factor will be there. By taking that common factor as some v or t, then simplify, you will get the solution. Now today I will explain the third model. In this third model, when we can apply the third model, if the first model fails, if the second case or second model is also fails, then only we will go to the third model. In this third model, here the given bit is like this: 2x plus 3y minus 8 into dx is equals to x plus y minus 3 into dy. So immediately first you can find the value dy by dx value. What is dy by dx value? Dy by dx is equals to 2x plus 3y minus 8 by x plus y minus 3. Just cross check one time. Is b1 equal to minus a2? No. Means first case fails. Is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2? No. The second case is also fails. So this is the third category, third equation. So let it be equation number 1. In the third model, non-homogeneous differential equation, we will calculate or we will find the solution of this non-homogeneous differential equation by taking small x is equals to capital X plus H and small y is equals to capital Y plus K. Even working method also in the 7th lecture A class already I given. Just I am giving one example for your understanding. Now here H is the constant value, K is the constant value. What is d small x value equals to d capital X, d small y is equals to d capital Y. Therefore the equation 1 changes as d capital Y by d capital X is equals to 2 into capital X plus H plus 3 into capital Y plus K minus 8 whole by denominator value capital X plus H plus here it is the value capital Y plus K minus 3 is the value. Now the equation changes to d capital Y by d capital X is equals to 2x plus 3 capital Y plus 2h plus 3k minus 8 whole by x plus y plus h plus k minus 3. Now in this equation, if we make this value and this value as 0, then the whole equation changes to homogeneous differential equation. So here our aim is make these two quantities zeros by substituting suitable values for h and k. That is, now we can take 2h plus 3k minus 8 as 0 and h plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. By solving these two equations, multiply this equation with 2. Then here 2h plus 2k minus 6 is equal to 0. By subtracting these two cancel. Here k, by subtracting here it is value minus 2 is equal to 0. Means k value as 2 I can get. Replace k value 2 in this equation. Then h plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Means h is equals to 1. Therefore h value 1, k value 2. If you substitute in this, let it be second equation. In the second equation, then this value will be 0. This value will be 0. Therefore second equation implies d capital Y by d capital X equal to what I can get here, it is 2x plus 3y, of course capital X capital Y, and this value by substituting h value as 1, k value as 2, this value 0, and denominator also capital X plus capital Y, and this value also changes to 0 by suitable substitution, h value equal to 1, k value equal to 2. Now this equation is nothing but a homogeneous differential equation. How you can solve the homogeneous differential equation? By substituting y is equals to vx. From this one, d capital Y by d capital X is equals to v plus x derivative 1 plus second time x into dv by dx. Of course here we are using capital Y capital X, remember that one. Now the equation changes to v plus x into dv by dx is equals to 2x plus 3 into y value as vx by x plus y value as vx is the value. Simplify this value. V plus x into dv by d capital X equal to numerator x denominator x cancel 2 plus 3v by 1 plus v is the value. Now with this equation here I can get the value as that implies v plus x into dv by dx equal to what I can get here, it is the value 2 plus 3v by 2 plus 3v by 1 plus v is the value 2 plus 3v 1 plus v. Now with this one x into dv by dx is equal to bring this v value this side, then 2 plus 3v by 1 plus v minus v, then this value changes 1 plus v LCM value 2 plus 3v minus v square minus v I can get like this, which is equals to 2 plus 2v minus v square by 1 plus v is the value. Now separate the variables. 1 plus v by here 2 plus 2v minus v square into dv is equals to dx by capital X. Now here this value I can simplify 1 plus v by v square minus 2v minus 2 into dv plus dx by x is equal to 0. By applying integration, here what I did here, I common minus value, with that minus I can bring this side, after minus I will bring this value this side, then this value changes like this. Then apply integration. Integral 1 plus v by v square minus 2v minus 2 into dv plus integral d capital X by x is equal to integral 0 means constant c, you can get it. Now this value we have to simplify. How you can simplify this value again? That implies here I can make this value integral v square divided to 2v and minus 2v divided to minus 2. So I can modify numerator value as 2v v square divided to 2v minus 2. Okay, I can modify like this 2v minus 2. Then here it is the value. Okay, leave it here. One method is there for this one. Integral ax plus b by here cx square plus dx plus e dx. If this model is there, how we can proceed this value as already we given this one. Numerator equals to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. This is the standard method in integration we completed. Now we can apply for this one. This is the model. Now this is the value, numerator value 1 plus v is equals to capital A into d by dv here. Since v is the variable now, what is the derivative of this value, ma'am? 2v minus 2 plus b is the value, constant value. What is the constant value here? It is capital B. You may take like this. This is the value. Now by comparing the values, here I can get 1 plus v is equals to 2av minus 2a plus b. Then comparing v coefficients, 2a is equals to 1 is the value, means a value as 1 by 2. Next value minus 2a plus b is equals to 1. Then here it is value b is equals to 1 plus 2a, then which is equal to 2. So a value 1 by 2, b value I got as 2 is the value. Now the integration value changes as, that implies here the integration 1 plus v by v square minus 2v minus 2 into dv plus integral dx by x is equal to c. So how I can write 1 plus v value? According to this value, a value 1 by 2 into 2v minus 2 plus b value 2 by denominator value v square minus 2v minus 2. This is the value into dv plus integral dx by x means logarithm of mod x equal to c is the value. Now which implies here I can write 1 by 2 integral 2v minus 2 by v square minus 2v minus 2 dv first value plus integral 2 by v square minus 2v minus 2 dv second value plus logarithm of x is equal to c. Now here it is value 1 by 2. What is the formula for this one? Integral f dash v by f of v. So log mod v square minus 2v minus 2 is the value plus 2 into integral. This value how can modify? 1 by v square minus 2v here plus 1 minus 3. I can write like this into dv plus logarithm of mod x equal to c. Now 1 by 2 into logarithm of mod v square minus 2v minus 2 is the value, plus 2 into integral, how I can write till here it is the value 1 by v minus 1 whole square minus 3 is the value dv plus logarithm of capital X is equal to c. Now this value changes to 1 by 2 into logarithm of v square minus 2v minus 2 plus 2 into, what is the formula for this one? Integral 1 by x square minus a square. So 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a is the value. Of course here root 3 you may get like this, plus logarithm of capital X is equal to c. Now this value here, but what is the value of v? V is nothing but y is equal to vx taken, y is equal to vx. Therefore v is equal to what is value? Capital Y by capital X. So this value 1 by 2 logarithm of modulus, here v value as y square by x square minus 2 into y by x minus 2, plus next value will be 2 get cancel, 1 by root 3 into log mod v value, what is v value? Y by x minus 1 minus root 3 by, here it is the value y by capital X minus 1 plus root 3 is the value, plus logarithm of capital X is equal to c. Now again here the answer is in terms of capital Y capital X, but according to given data there is no capital Y capital X. So again we have to convert this capital Y capital X as small x small y. Now what is small x capital X small y capital Y relation? We taken small x is equal to capital X plus h, we taken small y is equals to capital Y plus k, we taken, means small x is equals to capital X plus what we got h value here. Let me cross check one time. H is equals to 1. So this is the value, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k value. What is the k value I got? 2 is the value. With this one, capital X is equal to what is the value? Small x minus 1. Capital Y is equals to small y minus 2. Now we have to replace capital X value as x minus 1, capital Y value as small y minus 2 in this general solution. By simplifying, by replacing capital X as x minus 1, capital Y as y minus 2, after simplification you will get the best solution. And one now observation here, this is in terms of logarithm we got, this value also in terms of logarithm we got, this is also logarithm of x. So automatically even c value also you may write logarithm of c. Okay, so in some books they will give logarithm of c, in some books they will give as usual c. So don't confuse with that value. You may take general c value or log c value. If you take logarithm of c this side, then all this side every term log is there. This side also if you take log get cancel, you will get the best solution. So this is the non-homogeneous differential equation of the third class. Here student point of view, maybe you may feel little bit lengthy. Of course it was very lengthy, but if you practice 2 or 3 bits it will be easy for you. Okay, thank you.